Hey, I'm Newbie, and welcome to my review of the Profit Machine, program course community that is taking the online world by storm. The Profit Machine, a brand new system designed to help beginners start making money online easily. The system is backed by two highly successful affiliate marketers, Thomas Garetz and Jonathan Montoya, who has a combined following over 1 million people across social media networks. Thomas Garetz is a popular YouTuber in the field of making money online with nearly 500,000 subscribers. He has a large community and offers successful courses to thousands of students. On the other hand, Jonathan Montoya quit his job as an electrical engineer 4 years ago, and he now earns over $1 million online. He also has a course with over 50,000 satisfied students. The Profit Machine consists of 4 simple steps. One of the standout features of the Profit Machine that it's a proven track record of success. The main selling point of the Profit Machine lies in the simplicity and newbie-friendly approach. It provides a step-by-step method that anyone, regardless of their experience level, can follow the directions of it. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned marketer, this program offers valuable insights and actionable strategies to help you succeed. The Profit Machine firstly requires no software, having no steep learning curve. You can start earning money online right away by following the 4 simple steps outlined in the system. One key feature that sets the Profit Machine apart is the ability to generate traffic without the need for an email list or an existing audience. This is a major advantage for those who are just starting out or don't have a large following. Furthermore, the Profit Machine offers a private Facebook group where you can connect with other members and receive guidance from Thomas Garetz and Jonathan Montoya themselves. The group is active, and you can witness real-time sales success stories uh, shared by members. Another benefit of the Profit Machine is it's a done-for-you solution. It not only provides training and guidance, but it also takes care of the essential elements like email creation and landing page design. And so this frees up your time and allows you to focus on driving traffic and making sales. The program value ladder and low entry price makes it accessible to most people, ensuring that they get a good return on their money. Many people wonder if the Profit Machine is suitable for them, especially if they don't have their own product. Well, the good news is that this program teaches you how to sell the product itself, eliminating the need for you to come up with your own product. So this is a huge advantage for those who want to start making money quickly without the hassle of product creation. Another great feature is the access to premium email traffic through solo ads. The Profit Machine provides a PDF guide with links to vendors who has large email lists. By purchasing clicks from these vendors, you can drive targeted traffic to your offers, increasing chances of earning commissions. Now let's address our common question. Why do you need to pay $37 a month? The monthly fee is required to ensure the system runs smoothly and covers the cost associated with maintaining it. However, if you prefer, you can also opt for a lifetime license priced at $147, which eliminates the monthly payment. While the Profit Machine offers numerous benefits, it's important to mention a minor drawback. The system relies on paid traffic sources, which means you need to invest in purchasing clicks to drive visitors to your offer. However, the system provides guidance on how to effectively leverage this paid traffic to maximize your earnings. While the Profit Machine offers tremendous value and benefits, as with any program, success ultimately depends on your decision and dedication and effort. While the system provides the tools and strategy, it's up to you to implement them effectively. So be prepared to put in the work and follow the steps outlined in the program to maintain your results. By dedicating just 20 minutes a day to the Profit Machine, you can build a sustainable online business that generates passive income. The Profit Machine not only provides you with a dollar trial for 7 days, It also offers an opportunity to earn commissions during this test drive period. This means while you explore the system and experience its benefits, you have the potential to generate income through the profit machine commission system. It's a unique feature that allows you to start earning right away from the beginning, making your trial period even more exciting and rewarding. So take advantage of this incredible opportunity to not only test the profit machine, but also earn commissions along the way. So click my link below and join the profit machine and start earning today. Be blessed.